Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to Shit Stop. Today is the second day of my quarantine in Taipei. Okay, I got a notification that a breakfast here. Let's see, that's what it looks like. There's this table and there's the food on there and the door. Nice. It looks like there's a milk today, so maybe I will make some coffee. I noticed that they actually have some brown coffee. I will make this one today. Got the milk from the hotel, and then I also have this small, it looks like a burger. See, it is a burger. Something fried again every day. I need to start getting some better food. Too much fried food. See what it has. It's a two piece of chicken tender and the egg. Weak lettuce. Non-existent lettuce here. So I already boiled some water in here in this cup. Oh, it smells good. Never go wrong with these 3-in-1 coffee, so it's always sweet and good. Let's try a piece of this burger while we're waiting. I don't know why this camera is not really in focus, but that's okay, it should be good enough. What kind of taste? Smell some kind of mayonnaise. Maybe I can just tear it up using my finger. Oh, wow, it worked. New skill learned during quarantine. The thing with that is that you still need to poke a hole on this opening, or else air cannot escape, so the milk will not be poured out. Poke a hole here still. Let's see if it works. Nice. Okay, that's it for now. Let's go to lunch. Nice sweet fruit. This is my afternoon snack. This cantaloupe. Longan here and some pineapple. Ha Mi Gua, which is like a small version of a cantaloupe. They're a little bit more sweet and more crispy. You can see here. It's very smooth too, look. There's no fiber. There's fiber, but it's very soft. Wow, so good. Longan. These are so fresh. It's never refrigerated. And most of the longan I buy in the States that are refrigerated tastes very different. As you can see here, you open one up and show you what real fresh longan look like. The squeeze sometimes is juicy, so you might squirt out juice. Good thing today is okay. Wow, look, this is so big. It's a big longan. Look at that. Wow. Let's show this camera. Look at that. Interesting, huh? Tastes so fresh. I'm not gonna eat that much because I have dinner coming up in an hour. Oh, I also have this small snack that I got from the airplane because I skipped both lunch and dinner. So I saved this. Let's try it. And just some small trail mix, Asian's flavor. It's super crunchy. Especially that little fried bowl. Let's see if I can find another one. Yeah, this one with the seaweed on it is extra crunchy. It looks like the calorie is about 60 kcal. It should be okay. Killing some time watching this show on Netflix called The Naked Director. Okay, now it's the dinner time. I feel like a pig. Lotus root soup. Okay, time for the real dinner. Wow, so much food. Alright, let's start with the drink. So there's an Assam milk tea. And then this is cilantro. I don't know why they put it chopped up in this another box. See, there is a bento box. I asked them to cut down on the fried part. I'm pretty sure there was fried food in there, but they took it out. I think my parents brought me some food. Pan fried fish steak. Oh, nice. Smells so good. Some kind of big fish. Can never go wrong with big fish. Wow, look at the fried rice from my mom. She added some smoked fish, sausage, egg, and the scallion and celery. Very good. Okay. I'm gonna try a piece of the fish. It's delicious. Some bone. Wow, this vegetable, it tastes like I think it's called Xian Cai. I don't know what that called in English. Funny how they have a bunny here. It looks like it has some ingredient inside. What do you guys think? Let me take a bite. Wow, it has a red beans paste in there. Let me see what's in this soup. It's mian xian, a rice noodle. So this is usually it's called owa mian xian. I don't see any owa like oyster. Instead they have meat stick again. It's good. I like it. Alright, let's try it. Well, I don't know if I can finish mom's rice now. For those of you who have not tried fish with the bone on, be careful when you eat it. But make sure you try it next time. It's pretty good. But I really like this milk tea, so maybe I'll just eat it. Let's shake it first. Yeah, it's so sweet and artificial. But that's something that tastes really good. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye. While you're watching still, go get some food. Make sure you also exercise and eat well. Okay, bye bye.